Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Welcome back to our channel Bloom German. Friends, first of all, I want to ask you one question. Are you enjoying learning German language? Yes or no? Yeah or the nine? Please write down your answer in a comment section. Let me know. Here comes the another Wednesday. So time for learning the new vocab list. And today's we are learning the most important vocab list that is called as das Adjektiv. Das Adjektiv. The adjectives. Adjective gives the additional information in the sentence. That means the extra data. Yes, today in this video we are learning 100 most important and commonly used German adjectives. And every German student must know them. But before that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. That will give you my latest video update. So, fangen wir an? Ja? Lebendig, Bedeutung alive. Wütend, Bedeutung angry. Besorgt, anxious. Schlecht, bad. Schön, beautiful. Best, best. Groß, big. Bitter, bitter. Langweilig, boring. Strahlend, bright. Beschäftigt, busy. Ruhig, calm. Günstig, cheap. Sauber, clean. Bewölkt, cloudy. Kalt, cold. Cool, cold. Süß, cute. Dunkel, dark. Lecker, delicious. Anders, different. Schwerisch, difficult. Dreckisch, dirty. Eklig, disgusting. Unzufrieden, dissatisfied. Früh, early. Einfach, easy. Verlegen, embarrassed. Aufgeregt, excited. Aufregend, exciting. Teuer, expensive. Berühmt, famous. Weit, far. Ausländisch, foreign. Kostenlos, free. Start, full or satisfied. Lustig, funny. Gut, good. Groß, great. Glücklich, happy. Hart, hard. Schwer, heavy. Hoch, high. Heiß, hot. Feucht, humid. Hungrig, hungry. Wichtig, important. Intelligent, intelligent. Interessant, interesting. Freundlich, kind, friendly. Groß, large. Spät, let. Leicht, Bedeutung light. Lebhaft, lively. Lang, long. Laut, loud. Niedrig, low. Verheiratet, married. Böse, mean. Schmal, narrow. In der Nähe, near. Besorgt, nervous. Neu, new. Nett, nice. Alt, old. Schmerzhaft, painful. Arm, poor. Still, quiet. Regnerisch, rainy. Entspannt, relaxing. Reich, reach. Richtig, right. Traurig, sad. Salzig, salty. Gleich, same. Zufrieden, satisfied. beängstigend, scary, ernst, serious, kurz, short, schüchtern, shy, alleinstehend, single, klein, small, weich, soft, sauer, sour, würzig, spicy, stark, strong, sonnig, sunny, sicher, sure, süß, sweet, groß, tall, durstig, thirsty, müde, tired, wahr, true, hässlich, ugly, warm, warm, schwach, weak, bright, white, windish, windy, falsch, wrong, jung, young. This is all about the 100 most important basic adjective for the beginner level students of a German language. In the coming Wednesday, we will be learning the Gegenteil, das Gegenteil, the opposite words. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Video. Auf Wiedersehen.